Hello kids, welcome to Jashwin TV. Let's learn the words. Start with alphabet F. F for fish. F for fan. F for flower. F for fig. F for fire. F for fork. F for freezer. F for faucet. F for fox. F for frog. F for feet. F for flute. F for fruits. F for flag. F for finger. F for fork. F for feather. F for five. F for forest. F for floor. F for flood. F for friends. F for fat. F for fort. F for fight. F for fumes. F for far. F for farmer. F for full. F for flamingo. F for falcon. F for fly. F for fire engine. F for forklift. F for farm tractor. F for French fries. F for fried chicken. F for frying pan. F for fountain. F for farm. F for father. F for flashlight. F for football. F for footstool. F for flip-flops. F for fence. F for fairy. F for family. F for floor. F for fist. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Jashwin TV.